Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro and let me share with you how to enable and customize the eye comfort mode on this device. So let's start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll to find the display, so let's tap on it. Now let's find the nightlight, which is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device, and we can of course turn it on right here just by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns yellowish or even amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can tap on it directly in order to be able to actually customize it. So thanks to this intensity switcher, we can change it. By going to the left, we can make it a little bit cooler, and to the right a little bit warmer. Right now it is almost orange, I would say. You can, of course, you can set the intensity just like you want to. We can also schedule that feature. The none option is manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off. The custom time, so we can pick the start and the end time. Up to you, of course, and you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it's up to you. I prefer none option. All right. So basically this is how to customize this mode, and right now I'd like to show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do is to unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, so you will be able to see those icons. And as you can see, after customization, the nightlight icon will automatically appear right here. If you will start with trying to fastly turn it on, there is a possibility that you will not have this nightlight icon here, but no worries, just tap on this edit icon here and you can find it, and then tap on it and hold it and drag it to this first section to actually show it in this panel. However, if you will start with the customization just like we did in this video, and then it will automatically appear. So all you have to do right now is to simply tap on it, and your device will immediately turn on this option, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.